In this video, I'll show you how to update the Discord application to the latest version. Now, Discord typically updates automatically whenever you launch it, but if you want to manually force an update, here's what you need to do. First, go down to your taskbar and make sure Discord is completely closed. Just right-click the Discord icon and choose Quit Discord. After that, it's important to confirm that the app has fully shut down. Open your Start menu, search for Task Manager and open it. In Task Manager, type Discord in the search box. If any Discord-related processes are still running, just end them to fully shut down the app. Once you're sure Discord is closed, go back to the Start menu, type Discord and launch it again. When the app starts up, you should briefly see a screen that says checking for updates. If any updates are available, Discord will install them automatically. Now, if this doesn't seem to work for some reason, you can manually update Discord another way. Open Settings on your PC, click on Apps from the left-hand side, go to Installed Apps, search for Discord in the list. From there, simply uninstall Discord, then head to the official Discord website to download and reinstall it. This will ensure you're running the latest version. And that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.